Finally, my parents got the property of my grandparents. Finally, that happened. Yes, that's actually just made our whole week.
But your grandparents are alive.
No, I mean my grandmother was. My grandfather had passed away long ago, like you know. But my grandmother recently, like 3 days ago, she passed.
What? Really?
Don't
You are
believe.
in Hyderabad.
Don't believe.
Really, really.
You are in Hyderabad or Kashmir. Where?
No, I am here only.
Mumbai. But
I am going. Yeah.
झूठ बोल रहा है उसके शक्ल पे दिख रहा है
Really. No, really.
मैं नहीं बिलीव करता हूँ
अरे really यार, you guys, you have no
तू
sentiment.
ऐसा है कि
That's
तू
why I'm
फटाक
not
से
bringing
फ्लाइट
it up.
लेके निकलता था. हाँ.
नहीं, वो ढूंढ रहे हैं अभी उनको.
क्यों?
हाँ, सच में मैं बताता हूँ, मैं पूरा स्टोरी बताता हूँ बाद में.
हाँ बताओ.
यहाँ पे नहीं बता सकता, थोड़ा
भाई
सेंटी
बताओ
स्टोरी.
ना प्लीज.
It will become emotional.
Okay, it's fine.
अरे नहीं बता सकते भाई, वो स्विमिंग करने गई थी यार. सच में भाई.
कितने एज के? कितने एज के? 90s.
90s.
She went for swimming.
विदित
90s.
बराबर है. विदित का बराबर है.
Yes.
चल. Let's get back.
भाई सागर भाई, you have no shame or anything. You have no like you know sentis.
I'm with you for long
He'll
enough.
die.
I've at least heard that you have made these jokes on them for many years. So I'm not.
Never on my grandmother, bro. I swear on her. Never. Seriously.
मेरे पास आंटी का नंबर है मैं रुको आंटी को फोन करता हूँ
वो अभी मत करना. She is in lot of stress.
भाई वो आपने जो ब्लॉग बनाया था पहले जो वही ना कश्मीर में थे.
हाँ वही.
सॉरी भाई.
Really, there is no punchline to this. If you are wondering, कि now it will come.
No.
We were also wondering if she'll come, but she didn't. There's no really. I am leaving, man. You have just nothing for my grandmother, man.
भाई आई एम लिविंग. भाई ये क्या है? वो क्यों चला गया? मैं खुद कितना ट्रॉमा में हूँ अभी.
सो जैसे ये खबर सच है या झूठ है. मैं यार दिस इज नॉट अलाउड समझ. दिस इज नॉट अंडर द लॉ.
पहले बोल रहा है my parents are happy because they got property. अभी चला गया मेरा OBS का पूरा सेटिंग बिगाड़ के.
Oh God. विदित का एक्सप्रेशन. विदित व्हाट इज दैट सेइंग? लाइक क्या फीलिंग आ रहा है अभी तुमको?
मेरे को कुछ समझ ही नहीं आ रहा क्या चल रहा है
Now, I don't know what happened. भाई
वो जोक तारे कल इंडिया गॉट लेटेंट और ये सब चल रहा है. तू क्या ही
भाई
सीरियसली
मैं समय को जानता हूँ मैंने ना समय की शक्ल देख के मुझे पता था बोल
हाँ
उसकी
इतने
शक्ल
जल्दी
देखो आप
पहचाना.
शक्ल देखो आप और हर झूठ देखो उसकी पुरानी स्ट्रीम्स का उसकी सेम शक्ल होती है
oh wait Vidit before you leave.
विदित ने इतना एनालिसिस किया है.
Hey, what's up? Hello.
Bye, how are things?
They're getting better. I just called mom. It's better now. Are you guys just going to laugh on this now for the rest of? That's the joke. My grandmother. That's the joke. Yeah, that's funny.
You are acting, bhai. You are acting.
विदित को
No, really, I can't. How do I call you guys my friends?
एक्सेप्ट लाइक जो भी है अभी. लेट्स एक्सेप्ट थिंग्स.
I thought friends are those who make a safe space for like friends to open up, and then maybe I would have told you what happened. But no, you're laughing at it.
But what could really help is the Black Lotus. You can meditate and it should make it better.
Like इंटीग्रेशन मैंने भी नहीं सोचा था यहाँ पे.
Thanks, Amrita. You really are very emotional.
यार विदित बचाओ
Thank you,
जाने
bro.
से पहले.
Position discuss कर लेते हैं यार.
हाँ भाई.
Before
But
things
bhai,
get
how did you do India's Got Latent when this had happened? Like, and you had a
The show must go on, man.
Commitment.
The show must go on. It was already live. The tickets were there.
correct.
Mhm.
But then why did you say about this property thing?
There's a silver lining to every dark cloud, right?
That is not
Something
good
inspiring.
to say like that way. I mean, the seriousness which you
No,
show
but
on
it's-
your
but-
face right
No,
now.
I didn't want it to become serious. That's why I made that silly joke. But then you just laughed at the whole thing. Then I didn't expect that much hostility also here. I thought it was Chessbiz India. You guys are like good guys.
Sorry भाई.
कोई नहीं.
भाई समय फुल savage हो रहा है आजकल उसके stream में.
Queen C2 में भी then यार सागर भाई.
Bye.
Oh, Vidit भाई, see you भाई. आपको जिम जाना था ना यार. Take care, bro.
I'm out of this.
भाई
भाई,
you are going to gym. Here he is not so feeling well.
कोई नहीं भाई.
भाई चला ही भी गया वो.
वो भी समय से सीख लिया. अपन ऐसे नहीं जा सकते, वही है इसके लिए.
नहीं अपन क्यों जाएंगे भाई. We should be there for Samay. Samay, in whatever you want to share, please feel it's a safe space here. We are also making you.
Nothing, bro. You guys, I'll still try. Tell you. Nothing. Why she gone to swimming?
Hmm.
She goes usually at 5 p.m.
Control, Uday.
Fitness and all she has to do for her calf muscles. Man, just leave it, man.
Sorry.
जिसको दूसरी स्ट्रीम नहीं मिली है. Normally I don't laugh, but this one is really exceptional. That
But we need him back, Amrita. Somebody should be.
it's just us expressing in this way so that you don't feel sad. So just come back.
Yeah,
We
we
don't
would love to.
we don't want it to be too serious. That's why we want to spread laughter and happiness. If you can join us, we can analyze, we can hear the stories on the side. We will definitely try to make our muscles strong. I mean, Vidit has gone to movies. To Bishop Desan, you should ask him what should Gukesh play before Gukesh plays, and also to the chat, guys. What should Gukesh play?
Yeah.
Okay.
After Bishop D7, now we move the knight.
Yes. Queen trap.
Were you in like first moment? Did you cry?
No, I don't want to discuss about that because you guys are not showing any respect for my, problem. Really.
No, we will not ask Samay. We respect you. Maybe if you feel like safe space is created in next few minutes and you feel comfortable, before leaving, you can tell us.
Okay.
Maybe Vidit comes back after.
I will trust you.
Maybe, yes.
So our calf muscles have been very weak since like last 2 years. So the doctors had advised like swimming and like massages and all of that. But we don't have any massager in Jammu where she stays. So we have a big swimming pool, like the whole community goes there. It's usually for young people, but we requested, so they gave. And she goes there regularly. My mother's sister went with her recently. And my grandmother very naughty. She does it. She teases and all, like, she went
At
underwater.
90.
Yeah. She keeps the kid inside her alive. One time when we were there, I was very young. She put both her fingers inside like the socket and she turned it on, and then she did like this. And then we like, yeah, really. Then we beat her almost with a stick,
Obvious.
and then she removed her hands like, "Hey, just kidding. There's no power, there's no electricity in Jammu." So, but that stick still hit her on the leg, and that's how the whole issue started in the first place, long time ago. And for that, she went to the swimming and all of us, and she went in the water. My voice is shaking, and I'm telling you.
No, this was meant to laugh, right? Because that was a
No,
joke.
it was not. But you
No,
are just
this,
at
finger.
that time she did it to
Yes.
make us laugh.
That's
But
why,
now
that's
in
why we were
retrospect-
only thinking
Like
of.
she wanted you guys to laugh, right?
Yes.
She thought
Yes.
well of you guys.
Correct. So she went in the pool and she went underwater and she did like this to my, Mousy like this. So my Mousy laughed. Then she came out. She said, "I'll show you one more trick." Then she went again. Again, she did like this. But this time she did like this also. And then she stayed underwater for a long time, like, for some 2-3 minutes, 5 minutes. Then after like 4 hours, my Masi was like, "Come on, enough now, just come." She didn't come. Then my Masi was like, "Okay, she's just kidding." She left. Then she went back. Yeah.
4 hours.
Yeah.
Masi.
She-
She thought
Then she
that
went-
your grandma.
She does these disgusting things to make us laugh. Then she went back after 5 days, Abhi. So she couldn't find her.
अच्छा 5 days के बाद उनको लगा कि
No, but 4 hours she was there. No, Masi was there.
no, she
Yeah.
thought she will come.
But she thought she'll just come out, she'll just playing.
But you cannot wait for more than 20 minutes or something, right? Max to max.
No, she was athletic. She used to like run and all, marathon.
But what is the maximum time somebody has been underwater by holding?
We don't know, but she probably broke the record.
अच्छा. After your story, look at the expression of Diach on your this side.
Yeah, he's pretty intense. He knows how to listen to a sad story.
Well, Gukesh seems to be keeping like a smiling, matlab, controlling like
Correct,
me.
correct. But they are just photos, right? Like just my grandmother has become now. So yeah, so we couldn't find her. So whole day we were searching. No sign.
But it was a swimming pool, no?
Yeah. That's the shocking part.
So now if you don't find her and she might be still alive, then you cannot like have the property or anything, right?
But 5 days, I think, right?
But she can be in some. She's gone for some marathon. Must be running
Correct.
somewhere.
Correct. Could be. That's what we are just waiting. I was just getting the update, but nothing yet.
But you already said that she's passed away. They say like you shouldn't say these things, no, because she could be alive.
No, but I think 5 days is a bit much, no?
But people run away and come back many times.
Yeah, she did that also once.
How was it?
Oh, that's another story. I'll tell you later. But right now, Queen check. Queen D4 check.
Check has come. Look, when someone has said in chat, एक मछली पानी में गई छपक.